This video shows you one way to install your soft and hard armor inserts into your Commando Store Strelka Defender 2 vest. First things first, separate all the components from the carrier. Just take them all apart. Take your groin protector off, your neck protectors off, put them in a pile, and separate the front panel and the back panel. Just separate those and start with your front panel. At least that's how I'm going to do it in the video. Now, one word of encouragement to all of you that have purchased the custom cut from us. You can see how the custom cut panel is cut to fit the cover itself. And you will not find this with box panels. You will not find this with any other panels. What you've done is you've purchased a soft armor insert that fits the pocket completely. Now there may be 5 or 10 millimeters along the edge. It depends on how your armor moves around, where it's not all the way over. And obviously you don't want to have a super tight fit in here. However, it does fit really well. As you can see, I'm overlaying the panel on top of the cover itself. So what we tried to do with this is we had space in here. The Commando Store engineered some space up in the shoulder straps. So what we did was we included ballistic protection up into the shoulder straps. That's what you don't find with other panels. Box panels, etc., they don't do that as well, nearly as well. And we did that for the front and the back. So you're going to get overlapping shoulder protection in here where it's normally missing in other products. So you've got a custom cut soft armor insert that fits very well into the cover, and it maintains that original shape. So the first thing you want to do with the front panel is flip it over, and you'll see in the back, you'll see some Velcro down here where you access the soft armor pocket. So open that, and you'll get access to the inside of the cover. Take your wear face up. Put the wear face up. That's the label side. And you can also tell, if you ever lose your label, you can contact us for replacement, but you can also tell the wear side is softer because it has a little bit of a trauma reducer in there made out of foam. So you can tell the wear side by the soft pad in the back. So take and just fold it in half and hold it like that. And then open your cover and insert the shoulder straps first. So just kind of push against your body until the ears go up into the shoulder straps, and just pull the shoulder straps to fit. And they may go all the way up, they may be a few millimeters back. And then it'll kind of look like this. Then you can push the center up into the neck scoop, and then you can take and fold these ears over and out like that. So watch what I do here. See how I'm turning it to the right, and I'm going to push it down and release, and it'll just fill that pocket. You can just then take your thumb and you can push it up tight all up in here and along the edges. You can do the same with this side. Okay, there you go. Then your panel is installed. You can pull on it and get some of the creases out of it. And then if you want, you can twist it, turn it, make sure it fits good, lay it flat, and then pull the Velcro back closed again. Pull it down and seal it. And there you have your soft armor panel. And I want to show you what a great fit these are. There's the edge of the panel, there's the edge of the cover. It's the same over here. It's the same all the way around. You got a few millimeters give so the plate can move and flex, but it is a very nice fitting soft armor panel. There's your front panel. To take it out, you just kind of go in reverse. The easiest way to take it out is you open this and then reach up right there where it kind of rolls out and gets flat right here on both sides. Reach out and grab the panel and just pull up and twist it like that. And the same thing over here, up and out. And then you're just going in reverse. Grab it together like this, and then take the next scoop and hold it and just pull. There's your front armor panel. Okay, obviously this is the rear panel. You see your drag handle here. It's a little more narrow than the front panel. It's actually easier to put soft armor insert into this one. Just flip it over and you'll see the same type of setup back here with the Velcro seam that you can open to access the inside of the pocket. So take your wear side up, because this is the side going against your body. Fold it in half, just like we did before. Or open the pocket, open the pocket, and then slide this in and put the shoulder straps in first. I call them the ears. Pull the cover down so that the straps are fully engaged there. And then, same thing as before, push the panel into the next scoop. And then pull the panel in at the bottom. And then you're gonna be kind of like, sitting there kind of like you were with the front panel. What you're gonna do is you're gonna bend the tops of these over and out like that. Especially the bottom corners. Your panel is in place, and then all you have to do is kind of pull down and seal that Velcro again. You can move this all around, make sure it fits, make sure you're comfortable with it, and you can see that the back panel fits very nicely too. There's the edge. The edge of the panel is within a few millimeters of the edge of the pocket. You do have a little tiny bit, like a thumbnail width of extra space here at the top of both shoulder straps. There is your back panel, and it's inserted properly. To take it out, you just go in reverse. You grab up here again where it rolls out in this corner, and just pull it toward the center on both sides. And then get the bottom free, hold it with your hand like that, grab your next scoop and just pull. Okay, that's how you do the back. We'll get on to the groin protector and the neck protectors next. Okay, for the groin protector, flip it over. You see the same kind of thing. Open Velcro. This one kind of goes like this. This is a wear face. This is a wear face that you're going to be wearing. You're wearing this against your body like this. So have this side up, open the pocket and fold it like that. Put the bottom in like that. Push down. And you'll be left with something like that. Then pull the top corners in by pulling the cover over the corners. It's a little tough, but keep working with it, you'll get it. There it is. And once again, fits extremely well in the cover. Take it out, you're on your own there. Just pull the middle, open the top and start pulling on the middle. And it'll come out. The top corners will come out first. And then you can just pull it out. There you go. Let's get on to the neck protector. Okay, I'm only going to do one of these. Open the Velcro, take one side and just push it up in that corner. Like that, best you can. Make sure you can get all the way in there, like that. And then you can pull the other corner in. Takes a little work, but you can push down and pull the other side of the cover up over the corner. Then you can just push down on the high spot and it'll fill that space kind of naturally. There you go. And there's your fit. Pretty good. Got a little bit of room on both edges. It's just such a tight fit in there, but it's really nice fit. Looks very professional. All right, now for the fun part, we're going to show you how to put your hard armor plates in the Strelka Defender. I can tell you right now, the top front plate is the hardest to fit. It's just a little bit smaller than the one in the back. So I'll get you special instructions on that one. Put the lower one in first. Make sure the wear face is against your body. Open it. Pull all the way up on this and you'll see the Velcro seam for the pocket right there. Flatten out that top panel, that top, and then slide this in. Okay. There's your pocket, fits nicely. That plate's installed very easily. Close this, then open the side and slide the plate in. Now, here's the tricky part. This plate will be the hardest one you try to fit. Slide it in and then kind of tilt it down so that this top corner can get in past that seam. That double stitch right there. Turn it, make sure it gets down, and start it a little bit, and then level it. Now it's level. Hold this, hold the edge of the opening, and push on the plate. Now, it'll go right on in. Here's the thing, you have to make sure the plate comes all the way over to this stitch line. All the way over to the edge of the pocket. I mean all the way over. Push that plate against this edge. Because what you're trying to do is you need enough Velcro to close right here. And it closes nicely once you get the plate pushed all the way over. And that's how it looks. With the hard armor installed, you've got a little bit of an overlap, top and bottom plates, nice, good protection while you have a lot of maneuverability in here. The back panel is done the same way.